In this question, you are asked to check whether integration 0 to 1 dx by root of 4 minus x square minus x cube is less than or equal to pi by 4 root 2, less than or equal to pi by 6, greater than or equal to pi by 4 root 2, or none of this. So obviously, as you look at this integrand, this is not easily integrable because you have a root. Inside the root you have a cubic function. So we know how to integrate 1 by root of quadratic. We don't know how to integrate 1 by root of cubic. So this is not an easily integrable function. So first what I try to do is I'll try to bind this function between two functions. So if x is in between 0, 1, if x is in between 0 and 1, if x is in between 0 and 1, we know that x square will be greater than x cube. Between 0 to 1, the more power you increase, the lesser the value becomes. X is greater than x square is greater than x cube. So x square is greater than x cube. This implies minus x square is less than minus x cube. Minus x square is less than minus x cube. Now let us try to bind this 4 minus x square minus x cube. So 4 minus x square minus x cube is always in between. So this will be less than 4 minus x square, right? So 4 minus x square minus x cube is a positive number. So you are subtracting something from 4 minus x square. So 4 minus x square minus x cube will always be less than 4 minus x square. And it is always greater than 4 minus 2x square. Because x cube is always less than x square. If you subtract one more x square, if you subtract another x square, you are subtracting more. That means the value will become less. So 4 minus 2x square is always less than or equal to this, is less than or equal to this. So root of this, root of 4 minus x square minus x cube is greater than or equal to root of 4 minus 2x square is less than or equal to root of 4 minus x square. So 1 by, if you do the reciprocal, 1 by root of 4 minus x square minus x cube. So if you do the reciprocal, the signs of inequality reverses. Is in between 1 by root of 4 minus x square, 1 by root of 4 minus 2x square. Now I'll integrate all the three. So integration from 0 to 1 dx, integration from 0 to 1 dx, integration from 0 to 1 dx. So integrations are also of the same order. So this given expression, I'll say that this is given expression. Is in between, what is the integration of this? 1 by root of a square minus x square. The integration is sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by 2 going from 0 to 1. And this is also of the form a square minus x square. This is sine inverse of, again, x by a, but in the place of x you have x root 2 by 2. And you have a 1 by root 2 extra outside because this is root 2x whole square between 0 and 1. So the given expression is in between this sine inverse of half is pi by 6 minus 0 is 0. Next, so this is x by root 2. So if you put x equal to 1, this is sine inverse of 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. So this implies the given expression is in between sine inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 6 and 0, sine inverse of 0 is 0, it doesn't come, and sine inverse of 1 by root 2 is pi by 4, so 1 by root 2 times pi by 4, and if you put 0, the value is 0. So the given expression is lying between pi by 6 and pi by 4 root 2. So this is greater than pi by 6 and less than pi by 4 root 2. So option A is the right answer.